Now children, today let's start with chapter number 14, that is means of communication. So in this chapter, we'll study about communication. What is communication? Sending and receiving message is called communication. When we share our thoughts, ideas and feelings with other friends, relatives and people, we say we are communicating. We communicate with each other for different purpose. So we communicate by talking or writing. There are many ways to communicate with each other. We do it by writing letter, talking on telephone or through newspaper and next. Communication is not restricted to an individual. We can communicate with many people at a time. We can even communicate with people जो कहाँ रह रहे हैं, living in other distance country with the help of development communication. A good communication system serve for many purpose like unites people and create awareness, has different means of communication in the form of print, audio, video, has both personal and impersonal means of communication, writes, serve, sends and receive message and makes use of information, links the people globally. पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? जब आप पर्सनली किसी एक इंडिविजुअल से बात कर रहे हो, राइट? सो व्हेन वी लिव इन प्रॉक्सिमिटी वी कैन टॉक एंड कम्युनिकेट इन पर्सन. व्हेन वी लिव इन डिफरेंट सिटीज और कंट्री वी नीड अदर मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. So postal service system is now most common and cheapest means of communication. In Bharat, public postal service was opened in 1837. जो largest postal network है वो आपको वर्ल्ड का. The simple way to communicate with friends or relatives is to write letter and the post in the letter. Postman क्या करता है? Letters को collect करते हैं from the different post office और उसको delivered करते हैं necessary address पे. Complete address and pin code is necessary. Aerogram, they are used to send mails. जो aerogram होते हैं इससे आप foreign countries में mail भेज. Speed post service क्या होता है? इससे आप letter को quickly भेज सकते हैं than an ordinary post. Courier service also helps to quick delivery of letter. We can buy postcard, inland letters, envelope stamps from the post office. We can also send parcel and even money through the post office. October 9 is observed as a post office day. Now telephone communication. Telephone is the quickest means of communication, right? सबसे quickest means है. Provide instant way of communication. We can even talk to the people in far off cities, countries without STD or ISD. Telephone and telex communication. That is ISD code of Bharat. That is +91. Telegram and message are frequently a part of word. Telegram message are sent by Morse code. A telex is a printed message sent by telex machine. It is typed by a sender and printed out automatically at receiving. They are the urgent message sent in lesser time than postal mail. Fax क्या है? Abbreviated form है fax sign machine की, which is widely in offices and homes. They are connected to the telephone line and can transmit printed messages or images. और जो आपका टेलीग्राफ लाइन है वो कहाँ ओपन होती है? 1851 में. किसके बीच में? कोलकाता और डायमंड हार्बर. नाउ सैटेलाइट फोन्स. मोबाइल फोन्स आर द instrument which can be carried anywhere by the subscriber. Mobile phones have become an integrated part of life. There has been a significant improvement in the telephone services. Internet communication. The computer can also be used for sending and receiving message, pictures. It is possible very fast via internet. Email or electronic mails work with the internet with the help of modem. The internet and the World Wide Web इन्होंने क्या करा? Ability करी है enhance करने के लिए to find, manage and share information. Sitting at home, we can find solution of a problem on the net, right? So they can get information using internet and different websites. It is one of the fastest and the low cost method of communication. Now iPhone, which is launched in 2007, its function was a camera phone, portable media player, text messengers, and email and web browser. Right? Facebook एक social networking website है. Mark Zuckerberg and others founded. Now mass communication. To convey message to large number of people. हम newspaper, radio और television का use करते हैं. ये mass communication है. There are two types of mass communication. Electronic media जिसमें radio, television और cinema आ जाता है. Print media जिसमें आपका newspaper, magazine, journal और pamphlets आ जाता है. Newspaper, one of the most common and cheapest means of spreading information. Right? देखा ना लोग morning में wait करते हैं अपनी news के लिए, views के लिए, opinions के लिए. Right? बंगाल गैजेट्स पहला न्यूज़पेपर है जो आपका भारत में पब्लिश हुआ था 1780 में. एडवर्टाइजमेंट हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट ऑन पीपल. दे नॉट ओनली टू सेल प्रोडक्ट, लेकिन हम उसके साथ साथ क्या कर सकते हैं? सोशल अवेयरनेस भी स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं. रेडियो एंड टेलीविजन ये मोस्ट एफिशिएंट मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है, राइट? Television is an audio-visual instrument. We can hear sound and watch pictures. Now we can listen the news, discussion and have entertainment at home also. Well, our national radio, Akashvani, All Bharat Radio, 200 radio station is there, right? FM broadcasting बहुत ज़्यादा popular है. And cinema is very popular means of entertainment. Next is satellite communication, which has made communication easier and faster all over the world. They orbit around the Earth, right? For a long period of time, they pick up signals from the Earth and transfer them back instead. ठीक है, हम यहाँ से रेडियो और टेलीविजन सिग्नल लेते हैं. Satellite makes it possible to watch live program of the picture and helps to forecast the weather. So we can say that world seems very small today because of the widespread means of communication, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.